After Hurricane Andrew, my stepdad was involved in a pretty serious accident on the job, which led to some medical procedures he had to have. Those procedures failed due to negligence of a hospital. Living through that lawsuit was pretty rough, and so I always had a good grasp of the emotional side of what happens when someone is hurt.
When my parents and I left Poland, we left with a suitcase. And obviously growing up, we didn't have a lot of money. So my parents always instilled into myself and my brother, if you want to get anywhere, you're not going to get a free handout. It's all about what you do and what you provide. And essentially through my life, that's kind of how I've been living, pushing and working hard as I can in order to not only provide to my family, but also provide for my clients and give them the best representation that I can give them.
I went to the University of Tampa on a ROTC scholarship. It led me to become a military police officer. What I got out of the military the most as far as running our business here, the law firm, is structure and obviously, morals.
There are so many community needs that a lot of people don't know about unless you're involved. There's always a need, there's always a cause, and there's always someone that can be helped by your generosity. We feel everybody, without regard to their wealth, their background, we feel they're all entitled to have very good lawyers work on their behalf. We're that rock that the folks in our communities get to lean on when trying to achieve justice.
I would highly recommend Macyszyn Dyer. They told me that they would help me throughout the whole process, get me the help that I needed. Anytime I had a question, anytime I had a concern, I would call. They always answered my questions. There were points there where I would consider a low point. Thankfully, they helped me through that and were able to get me the surgery that I needed, worked with me and worked with the doctors to make sure that everything was taken care of. From start to finish, they were there with me every step of the way.
Our goal is to have a streamlined process for our clients from the time that they walk into that door after experiencing one of the toughest things in their life to exiting this door after their case and making sure that each step they are comfortable, they are informed, and that they are represented to the best of our abilities.
If you're injured, talk to Macyszyn Dyer. You're going to want us on your team. We'll help you through it.